Hakapor kumba shibeji lala jong anop hai singi jong kakalai trik unopra arajar pulai kadba kadang dan bat kadang yat ke 0R ha parlimen lala bansaki ke jingtlot jong kabor sentiat badru kibor apara hakaba Arngut ki Briew ki bara de ki jingpin mi Tdem lani ki tiar gas ke le yo ban Rung shaga jaka long Dorbar jongalok Sabha chamba katkum ga CCTV le i ya ga jing yo Rung jong wayu Briew bopang sopti blue bad halor kani hadian Maria peteng ke jingshong Dorbar por arbiji ulampang ke Lok Sabha om birlau la pentep bayagani ke jingja ki pulit ke Delhi kinsa pelong da ke jing toket
क्षेत्रों में रहने वाली लोगों के लिए भी है
सभा की कार्यवाही 2 बजे तक स्थगित की जाती है।
It is a very serious breach and we should not miss out the significance of the day. Today is the anniversary of the parliament attack, and on this day this is happening. This is highly condemnable and there must be a thorough probe into knowing how this breach happened, because how could they come into the building with canisters in their hand?
So can you tell me right from the beginning what happened?
0R was going on. Suddenly 2 people jumped from one of the visitors gallery straight opposite the speaker's chair. They had canisters in their hand. Those canisters were open and they started emitting and yellow smoke. One of them ran towards the speaker's chair. He was overpowered by many members. He removed his shoe before he was overpowered. But those canisters were emitting an yellow smoke. We do not know what was the composition of the yellow smoke. But the fact is that they were able to jump in. The fact is they were able to bring 2 canisters into the parliament. Is a serious breach of security, especially on today when we are commemorating the 21st anniversary. This is the 21st anniversary of the attack on Parliament.